Welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today we have our 992 GT3 back from Langkawi, and we have the car in the shop for a little bit of upgrade. So if you're following our YouTube channel long enough, you definitely know that our 992 GT3 has actually upgraded with a full Ipe exhaust system. And what is the car doing here today is actually right over there. I will show you. So for today's project, we are actually installing this Capristo valve controller for the 992 GT3. If you are wondering why do we need this Capristo controller on the 992 GT3 since the car has the sport exhaust function, so basically you can control the exhaust valves inside the cabin with the exhaust button, is because that the GT3 from the factory, it actually doesn't fully open up the valves, even though if you toggle the car into the sport mode with the exhaust button on, it just opens up the flap by a very minimal degree, so it's not fully open all the time. And that's why we have this Capristo valve controller kit right over here to be installed on the car, so that we can have a full control over the valves function. When we have this controller installed, we push the button right over here, then the exhaust valves on the car will be 100% fully open. And when we press on another button, it will remain back to the factory function whereby it is fully closed. Later, once we have this Capristo valves exhaust controller kit installed on the GT3, then we will have a sound test to listen how does it sounds with the control kit. We allow the valves to be fully open, and how much difference it is compared to the car controlling the valves using the original PSC button, whereby the valves are not fully open, it's just open by a very minimal degree. And of course, we will have a full documentary on how to install this Capristo exhaust valve controller kit on the GT3. The entire process is quite simple. It's actually a plug and play solution, so it takes about 30 minutes or so to get this installed. And now we'll get back to work to install the Capristo control kit on the car. Alright, after 1 hour, we have finally installed the Capristo valve control kit on our GT3. And now we have our camera equipment all set up. I have the remote with me. So now we are going to start up the car and do a revving sound test to find out how much louder is the Ipe exhaust on the GT3 with the Capristo valve control kit when the valves are 100% fully open. that's it. We have installed the Capristo valve control kit on our 992 GT3 to pair with our IPE titanium full exhaust system, and the result, I would say, is absolutely amazing. It's a day and night difference with this control kit installed. Even though the car, it does have the PSE exhaust button, but that button doesn't allow you to fully open up the valves, and this is where the Capristo valve controller kit plays a very important role. With this controller kit, it enables the valves to be 100% fully open all the time, and with the button right over here, you can press on it and it will be reverted back to the original form with the factory OEM controls, where you can control the valves by using the PSE button. In my opinion, this Capristo valve control kit is a very good upgrade and is a must-have upgrade for all the 911 owners out there, especially if you have a 911, the later generations that they are running on the electric valve actuator. This is a very good upgrade because it actually lets you to fully open up the valves and get the most sound out of your 911, especially if you are driving the 992 GT3 or GT3 RS. Being a naturally aspirated flat 6, you definitely want the most sound out of your GT car. If you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also do let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about this beautiful IPE exhaust, the gold color tips on our GT3. How does it sound with the Capristo valve control kit upgrade that we allows the valve to be fully open all the time? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in future.